Coffee is one of the most popular drinks in the world. From bustling city cafes to quiet countryside kitchens, coffee brings people together. Millions of people start their day with a cup of coffee. It's a morning ritual that signals the beginning of a new day, providing comfort and a sense of routine. It gives them energy and focus. The caffeine in coffee helps to sharpen the mind and invigorate the body, making it easier to tackle the day's challenges. The aroma of coffee alone is enough to awaken the senses. The rich, inviting scent can transform a room and create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Coffee has a rich history and diverse flavors. From its origins in Ethiopia to its global journey, coffee has evolved into a beloved beverage with countless variations. It is enjoyed in countless ways, from simple black coffee to elaborate latte art. Whether you prefer a strong espresso or a creamy cappuccino, there's a coffee style for everyone. But no matter how you like your coffee, it all starts with a simple process: brewing. This process, though simple, is an art form that requires precision and care to bring out the best flavors. The coffee brewing process begins with water. You pour cold water into the reservoir. The amount of water you use determines the strength of your coffee. Once the coffee maker is turned on, the heating element starts to work. It heats the water to the ideal temperature for extracting flavor from the coffee grounds. Section 4. The magic of filtration, separating grounds from goodness. In this section, we delve into the intricate process that transforms simple coffee grounds into a delightful cup of coffee. As the water heats, it travels through a tube leading to the filter basket. This journey is essential as the water needs to reach the perfect temperature to extract the best flavors from the coffee grounds. Here, the hot water meets the ground coffee. This initial contact is where the magic begins, as the water starts to unlock the complex flavors hidden within the coffee grounds. The hot water saturates the coffee grounds, ensuring that every particle is evenly soaked. This saturation is crucial for a balanced extraction, allowing the water to absorb the coffee's rich oils and aromatic compounds. This process extracts the coffee's rich flavor and aroma compounds. The interaction between the hot water and coffee grounds releases a symphony of flavors, creating a complex and satisfying brew. The filter then plays a crucial role. It acts as a barrier, ensuring that only the liquid coffee passes through while trapping the solid grounds. It traps the coffee grounds while allowing the brewed coffee to pass through. This separation is vital for a smooth cup of coffee, free from any gritty particles. The brewed coffee drips down into the carafe below. This final step collects the filtered coffee ready to be enjoyed, showcasing the perfect balance of flavors achieved through meticulous filtration. Section 5, a global ritual, coffee habits around the world. Coffee drinking is a global ritual with diverse traditions. In Italy, espresso reigns supreme, often enjoyed as a quick pick-me-up at the bar. In Ethiopia, the birthplace of coffee, a traditional coffee ceremony is a social event. It involves roasting, grinding, brewing, and sharing coffee with guests. Section 6, a simple machine, a world of flavor. The coffee maker, though simple in design, unlocks a world of flavor. This humble appliance has revolutionized the way we experience coffee, transforming it from a mere beverage into a daily ritual. It allows us to enjoy the rich aromas and taste of coffee in the comfort of our homes. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, filling the air with its inviting scent, making mornings more bearable and even enjoyable. Whether you prefer a light and bright roast or a bold and intense flavor, the coffee maker caters to all preferences. It offers the flexibility to experiment with different beans and brewing techniques, ensuring that every cup is tailored to your taste. The coffee maker consistently delivers a satisfying cup of coffee. Each sip is a moment of pleasure, a small escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It is a testament to how a simple machine can bring joy to millions every morning. From the first sip to the last drop, the coffee maker is a beloved companion in our daily routines, making each day a little brighter and a lot more flavorful.